Let the light music go on till we start.
Guys, please play the light music back in.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Akash, shall we start? It's 11:04, so let people can join as the event progress.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah. Because it's sir, shall we start the event, sir? Director, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Let's stick to the
11:05.
schedule. That's all.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, guys, please. The floor is yours.
Yes, sir. Shravani, are you there?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Freedom should not be something you have to deserve. It's something you just naturally have, something that no one can take away from you. Let us celebrate freedom. Happy Independence Day and good morning, everyone.
We extend a warm welcome to all the people present here today to celebrate this special day. We all have gathered here to mark the other landmark of success by celebrating the 75th Independence Day of our beloved country.
We all are so different, but there is one thing that always unites us, and it is independence.
We should honor it and never forget how hard it was to get it.
We salute and thank our freedom fighters who gave their lives and made great sacrifices for our country. This is the reason we are here together to celebrate this day. Let us dedicate this Independence Day to the sons of the nation and start our cultural programs.
So before we begin, I would like to thank Srimati Aarti Sampati, President and Chief Executive of Sivasivani Group of Institutions, Dr. Sailesh Sampati, Vice President and Deputy Chief Executive, Srimati Deepika Sailesh, Associate Vice President, Professor M. Kamlakar, Executive Vice President, Dr. A. Sudhakar, Director General, Dr. S. V. Yamuna Rao, Director, Govind Sir, and also all signatories present here for giving us this opportunity. Without you, all this wouldn't have been possible.
Now it's time for something without which it is impossible to start the event. Let's begin the event with the prayer song.
We have Bala with a prayer song. Can we have the recording?
महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेव वन्दितमहागणपतिम् महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहविनुतं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहविनुतं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकाप्रियं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकाप्रियं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिम्
Thank you, Bala, for giving us a great start for the day. Moving on, we have Smiley Christine with her beautiful message oriented speech. Can we have the recording?
Greetings to you all as our country is celebrating the Independence Day. On the eve of this auspicious day, I would like to extend my good wishes to respected professors and my fellow mates. Today, as we all are acknowledging our privilege of being born in a free India and celebrating the 75th Independence Day of our country, we should all be proud and we should admire our fortune to be born as a free Indian. The sacrifices of all the freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, and many others who lost their lives at an early age just to fight for the country can never be forgotten. Some called it a transfer of power. Well, no, it's something much more than that. It's a dream come true. It's dream of many freedom fighters who dreamt about it but could not see it. With due respect to all the freedom warriors, I would like to bring up the fact that India's struggle for freedom is entirely incomplete without the mention and celebration of the women who participated in it. Let us thus remember some of the greatest women of our country who have fought for the freedom of their motherland with fearlessness, determination, and a lot of courage. The first freedom fighter I would like to mention today is Uda Devi. Uda Devi was born in Awadh. She was a warrior in the Indian Rebellion of 1857. She fought against the British East India Company. She is known as one of the Dalit Veeranganas of the 1857 Indian Rebellion. It is believed Devi had climbed a peepal tree from where she was shot dead by 32 or 36 British soldiers in the month of November 1857. And according to some reports, in respect and recognition of her bravery, some of the British officers like Campbell had bowed their heads over her dead body. The second freedom fighter I would like to speak about is Jalkari Bai. Jalkari Bai was born on 22nd November 1830. She was the shadow of Jhansi Ki Rani Lakshmi Bai. Her courage has been a significant inspiration for both women and men. Some reports say Jalkari Bai once killed a tiger with an axe in a jungle. Jalkari Bai played a significant role in the Battle of Jhansi as she disguised herself as Rani Lakshmi Bai and took command of the army, thus giving the real queen a chance to leave in the meantime. She rested in peace in the year 1980 in Gwalior. The third freedom fighter I would like to mention is Rani Chennamma. Rani Chennamma was born on 23rd of October 1778. Chennamma was perhaps one of the very first female independence activists of our country. From a very young age, she received training in horse riding, sword fighting, and archery. She was a very brave young girl. Rani Chennamma was well known for being fearless. She was married early to the ruler of Kittur at the age of 15. But her husband died quickly thereafter, leaving her alone with a son, who also died in an unfortunate incident. Chennamma made it her mission to work for the country. She took the responsibility of the kingdom after the demise of her husband. She fought the British Empire eye to eye. The young queen spared no effort in saving her land from the dominion of the British. She famously said, "Why should I pay you tax? Are you my brother, sister, relative, or a friend?" She had to fight against all odds. Not every story has a happy ending. She was ultimately imprisoned for life at a fort where she eventually died on 21st February 1829. These three women warriors did not experience the essence of free India, but have undoubtedly left their footprints in the history of the nation. Let us not forget their sacrifices, but take a pledge that we in India will work hard towards the advancement of the nation, just like our freedom fighters. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Very well said, Smiley Christina. Congrats.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, Smiley, for the valuable information. Now we have a song rendition by Soumya from TPS. Let's listen to her audio. Ajit?
Soumika, give me a second.
Yeah, sure.
ఇదే భారతదేశం సకల సంపద నిలయం, ఇదే భారతదేశం సకల సంపద నిలయం, ఇదో పుణ్య ప్రదేశం ఇది దేవాలయం, ఇదో పుణ్య ప్రదేశం ఇది దేవాలయం, ఇదే భారతదేశం. ఇతిహాస వేద ఘోషలు వినిపించు విశ్వగీతం, సత్య ధర్మ శాంతి ప్రేమలుకు పరమ చరితం. ఇతిహాస వేద ఘోషలు వినిపించు విశ్వగీతం, సత్య ధర్మ శాంతి ప్రేమలుకు పరమ చరితం. త్యాగ నిరతి కీర్తనాలు ఎగిరెను ఈ గాలిలో, సమతమ మత సౌశీల్యం పారెను సెలయేటిలో. ఈ నేల గాలి నీరు చందనం హరిచందనం, ఇదే భారతదేశం సకల సంపద నిలయం, ఇదే భారతదేశం సకల సంపద నిలయం, ఇదో పుణ్య ప్రదేశం ఇది దేవాలయం, ఇదో పుణ్య ప్రదేశం ఇది దేవాలయం, ఇదే భారతదేశం. ఈ దేశం ఈ దేహం అద్వైతం మా భావం, మా శౌర్యం మా ధైర్యం సౌభాగ్యపు సింధూరం. ఈ దేశం ఈ దేహం అద్వైతం మా భావం, మా శౌర్యం మా ధైర్యం సౌభాగ్యపు సింధూరం. వీరత్వపు జ్వాలలకి చెరగిన ఈ ధూళిలో, జాతి కీర్తి గీతిక వినిపించెను విను వీధిలో. మాలోని అనువనువు అర్పితం సమర్పితం, ఇదే భారతదేశం సకల సంపద నిలయం, ఇదే భారతదేశం సకల సంపద నిలయం, ఇదో పుణ్య ప్రదేశం ఇది దేవాలయం, ఇదో పుణ్య ప్రదేశం ఇది దేవాలయం, ఇదే భారతదేశం. నర్తన సంకీర్తన సాహిత్య క్షేత్ర పరిమళాల, నీయతే నీయజల్లుల పులకరించి నేల. నర్తన సంకీర్తన సాహిత్య క్షేత్ర పరిమళ, నీయతే నీయజల్లుల పులకరించి నేల. భక్తి శక్తి యుక్తుల పరమార్థం బోధించెరా, జగద్గురువు తానే జగమంత వెలుగు నింపెరా. ఈ పుణ్య భూమి పుత్రులందరం ధన్యజీవులం, ఇదే భారతదేశం సకల సంపద నిలయం, ఇదే భారతదేశం సకల సంపద నిలయం, ఇదో పుణ్య ప్రదేశం ఇది దేవాలయం, ఇదో పుణ్య ప్రదేశం ఇది దేవాలయం, ఇదే భారతదేశం.
It was flawless. You really have an amazing voice. Thank you for always coming forward and constantly supporting us in all the events.
Today, we have participants from different clubs of our college who have come forward to contribute on this great occasion.
Before moving to that, we have a special video clipping from our Govind sir. Let's look into it.
Hello everyone, welcome to Govind Shari Studio again. First things first, Happy Independence Day, Azadi Mubarak ho. But come to think of it, as a nation, as individuals, are we really azad from all the negative factors like corruption, nepotism, communalism, jealousy, hatred, all the vices, and then lethargy, procrastination? Are we really azad from all of these things, which act as a deterrent to the individual progress and progress of the country? No, we aren't. So, in this landmark year, let us celebrate freedom from all these negative factors and help the country to race ahead to get into that league of superpowers. Jai Hind. कमिंग बैक टू शायरी, आज़ादी का दिन है तो फौजी भाइयों के लिए कुछ सुनाना ज़रूरी होता है. सो हमारी ज़िंदगियों में, हमारी दिवालियों में रोशनी इसलिए है, हमारी ज़िंदगी में, हमारी दिवालियों में रोशनी इसलिए है क्योंकि सरहद के अंधेरों में फौजी खड़ा है. हमारी ज़िंदगी में, हमारी दिवालियों में रोशनी इसलिए है क्योंकि सरहदों के अंधेरों में कोई फौजी खड़ा है, एंड ही इज कीपिंग एवरीथिंग सेफ सो दैट वी सेलिब्रेट फ्रीडम, वी एंजॉय द इंडिपेंडेंस एंड स्टे हैप्पी. गुलजार साहब ने भी कहा तो बहुत खूब कहा. उन्होंने कहा कि किसी पे मर मिटने का नाम को इश्क कहते हैं, किसी पे मर मिटने का नाम को इश्क कहते हैं तो फौजी से बड़ा कोई आशिक नहीं. और ये फौजी भाई भी कमाल का आदमी है. जेब की छोटी सी पर्स में परिवार का तस्वीर, जेब में छोटी सी पर्स में परिवार का तस्वीर और दिल में हिंदुस्तान लिए बॉर्डर पे घूमता है. सो फौजी भाई, सैल्यूट टू यू, नमस्कार, जय हिंद, हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे टू ऑल ऑफ यू अगेन. स्टे हैप्पी, स्टे सेफ.
That was really enlightening, sir. Thank you for the clipping.
The national anthem is certainly essential to the celebration of Independence Day. Varshini from HR Club will deliver an instrumental rendition of our national anthem. Recording, please. Thank you, Varshini, for providing such a relaxing show.
Next, we have another participant, Shivani from HR Club, to deliver a speech on Independence Day. Recording, please.
India enters into 75th year of independence from the British colonial rule this 2021. August 15th of every year is marked as a remembrance to how our country struggled for freedom and honors all those freedom fighters because of whom we are a free nation today. while all the citizens are excited to celebrate this important day by hoisting the flag and playing the national anthem, did you know there was no national anthem when India became an independent country? In fact, it was later adopted in the 1950s. Respected faculty and dear friends, I am Shivani from HR Club would like to enlighten about few interesting facts about independent India. Did you know Mahatma Gandhi was not present at the celebrations of the country's first Independence Day? Yes, he was actually at a hunger strike that was conducted to hinder the communal killers that were triggered due to partition. Secondly, India became an independent country much before August 15th. Yes, India became independent on July 18th, 1947. But Lord Mountbatten, who was appointed as Viceroy of India and oversaw the partition of British India into India and Pakistan, then served as the first Governor General of India, declared 15th August as the date of independence. Because this date observed the second anniversary of the surrendering of Japan to the Allied forces during World War II. There was no president or prime minister heading the country. Independent India lacked in having a structured government. The Governor General was the only and the most authoritative person in India at the time of independence, and the political framework developed much later when India became a republic. Another interesting fact is that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister, hoisted the national flag 17 times from the fortification of the Red Fort on the Independence Day. India shares its Independence Day with 5 more countries: Bahrain, North Korea, South Korea, Congo, and Liechtenstein on August 15th with different years. Last but not the least, do you know how India and Pakistan functioned immediately after partition? It must be noted that during partition, Pakistan did not have any central banking system. Soon after the independence, the partition between both the countries led to massive violence and eventually resulted in the division of territories, powers, and assets. Indian currency was used in Pakistan for the 1 year after independence. These were some of the interesting or unknown facts about independent India. Thank you.
Thank you, Shivani. That was really informative.
Next, we have Varshini again from HR Club, who has previously delivered an amazing instrumental performance. Now she is back with a beautiful mashup. Can we have the recording?
ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो, ए वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुँचूँ मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तो, पहुँचूँ मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तो, हे वतन मेरे वतन, तमिळा तमिळा नाले नम नाले, तमिळा तमिळा नाडुम नम नाडे, तमिळा तमिळा नाले नम नाले, तमिळा तमिळा नाडुम नम नाडे, என் வீடு தாய் தமிழ்நாடு என்றே சொல்லடா, என் நாமம் இந்தியன் என்று என்றும் நில்லடா, தமிழா தமிழா நாளை நம் நாளே.
What a lovely performance. Thank you once again, Varshini. The long-awaited Tokyo Olympics 2021 has given us one more reason to celebrate this year. India has finished 48th on the medal tally in Tokyo, its highest ranking in over 4 decades. So we have a small presentation on Tokyo Olympic winners by Saurav. Saurav, you can proceed.
Thank you. Good morning to everyone. Good morning, sir. Good morning, madam. Happy Independence Day to all. I am Saurav Anand and I will be showering some glimpse of Tokyo Olympic. So this Tokyo Olympic was the 32nd Olympic game which was played in Tokyo and which was started from 23rd of July to 8th of August, which continued for 16 days. Motto of Tokyo Olympic was faster, higher, stronger and together. But since 1984, the motto was faster, higher and stronger. But this year, Tokyo Olympic Together has introduced a new thing, which stands for solidarity, being united so that we can fight with COVID. This year, Olympic was featured with 339 events and altogether 42 competitive venues. As you can see in the poster, it is written as, back to previous slide please. As you can see in the poster, it is written as 2020, Tokyo Olympic 2020. But due to COVID, it has been shifted from 2020 to 2021. Next slide. These are the list of participants who took participate in Tokyo Olympic, and there were total of 127 participants, out of which 71 were male and 53 were female, who altogether participated in 18 different events. And I would like to tell you one thing, like this year India has participated in new 3 different events, which was sailing, fencing and equestrian, which is horse riding. This year India was more participative because as compared to Rio Olympic, which was held in 2016, at that time total of 117 participants were there, out of which 63 were male and 54 were female. And at that time only they have participated in 15 sports. Next slide please. These are the list of medal winners who brought medal for India and made us proud. So coming to first, like Neeraj Chopra is the only athlete who bring gold for India in javelin throw. And one more thing, like after this, on 7th August, Neeraj Chopra has become the first athlete to win a gold medal in track and field event. I would like to tell you, like he threw 87.58 meters to win a gold, and now he is world number 2nd athlete in javelin throw. Coming to Ravi Kumar Dhaiya, he brought silver for India in 57 kg wrestling. He is from Haryana and he became the 2nd Olympic silver medalist after Sushil Kumar. Mirabai Charu brought silver in weightlifting in 49 kg women's, and she belonged to Manipur and she has started her career in 2008. And one more thing guys, she was suffering from lower back injury since 2018. After that also she brought medal for India, so it was really aspiring for us. Coming to PV Sindhu, she brought bronze in women's single badminton, and she also became the 2nd athlete to win medal in single individual event. Lovelina Borgohain brought bronze in women's welterweight boxing. Lovelina became the 3rd boxer after Mary Kom and Virender Singh to win a medal in boxing. Indian hockey team. It was a men hockey team who brought bronze for India, and they also created a history. Like after 49 years, they have entered in semi-final. Earlier, they entered in semi-final in 1972. So it was really great for them. Bajrang Punia, who brought bronze for India in wrestling 65 kg, and he also created a history. Like he defeated his opponent. He beat his opponent before the time. He pinned down his opponent before his time and won by technical superiority. So guys, this Olympic has emerged as the best Olympic for India, because earlier India has a record of winning only 6 medals in Olympic, which was won in 2012. But this year, India has created a new record by winning 7 medals. So there is a question for everyone. This has answered by my friend earlier, but I will like to repeat this question. What is the rank of India in Olympics this year? Guys, please respond.
Fourth.
Rank of India in Tokyo Olympics.
48th.
48.
Yeah, absolutely correct. Yeah, thank you for your response, guys.
38.
Yeah, this was the 40. Yeah, India ranked 48 in last 4 decades, and yeah, India ranked 33rd in medal winning. Next slide, please. Yeah, in this poster you can see the heroes like pride of India who brought medals for India. So I would like everyone to just give a round of applause, but just unmute your guys and just have a clap for them. Thank you guys, thank you. Next slide, please. Yeah, these are the players who actually was not able to bring medal for India, but they have created the history in their own field. Women's hockey team. Women's hockey team like created the history. They entered into semi-final in Tokyo Olympic for the first time in the history. They have defeated number 2nd team, which was Australia. India itself being at number 9th position. So it was really aspiring. Aditi Ashok, she is a golfer, and she has not only diverted the mind of people toward golf, but she was only defeated and was at number 4. And I would like to tell you, like, she was only 2 points away from a gold medal and a single point away from a silver medal. Coming to our next athlete, Bhavani Devi. This year, India has participated in fencing for the first time because of Bhavani Devi, and she became the first woman to get participated in fencing. Next slide, please. Yeah, I would like to tell you, like, game is all about winning and losing, but the important part of a game is like trying the best to improve themselves to win. So I would like to request you all guys. So we should not only encourage the medal winners who brought medal for India, but we should also focus on the people, also focus on the athlete, at least who tried their best to, at least they have like qualified for the Olympics, and we should like encourage them so that they can perform much better in their upcoming games. And there is a proverb like, if you have learned from your defeat, then you hadn't really lost. So guys, thank you for your valuable time and attention, and thank you. Jai Hind.
Fantastic, Saurav. Very good presentation.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you once again, Saurav.
Now we have participants from Finance Club. First, let's listen to elegant song sung by Akshaya. Recording, please.
దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే ఎగురుతున్న జెండా మనదే నీతి మనదే జాతి మనదే నీతి మనదే జాతి మనదే ప్రజల అండదండ మనదే అందాల బంధం ఉంది ఈ వేళలో ఆత్మీయ రాగం ఉంది ఈ గాలిలో ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా నాకొకటే లేదా है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू है वतन मेरे वतन है वतन मेरे वतन है गुजरने वाली हवा बता मेरा इतना काम करेगी क्या मेरे गाँव जा मेरे दोस्तों को सलाम दे है मेरी जमीन महबूब मेरी मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे पीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के कौन कहे है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे महफूज रहे तेरी याद सदा चाहे जान मेरे या न रहे तेरे मिट्टी नैन जावा गुल बन के मैं गिर जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू ओ ओ भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है भारत माँ के चरणों की जीवन कुर्बान है भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है सबसे न्यारा
That was a lovely unplugged mashup, Akshay. Thank you for your contribution.
Next, we have one more speaker, Anjani from Finance Club. Let's listen to her.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am T. Kusumanjani Priya from TPSA, and I am here to talk about the importance of this day. The desire and ultimate need for freedom, liberty, and independence has led to the birth of the world's largest democratic country. For almost 200 years, Indians were under the British rule, and 75 years ago today, many freedom fighters have raised a voice against the slavery imposed on us Indians by the Britishers. And after their continuous struggle, Indians were declared independent on August 15, 1947, which marks the end of the British rule, followed by the establishment of free and independent Indian nation. The Indian national flag, which represents courage, sacrifice, peace, truth, faith, and chivalry, is hoisted by the Prime Minister at Red Fort every year. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate the 75th Independence Day, and here's wishing you all a very happy 75th Independence Day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anjani. As last time we have thoroughly enjoyed the instrumental performance, Robinson is back with another amazing performance to thrill us on this special occasion. Can we have this recording?
Robinson. That was very lovely. Next, we have one more message-oriented video for you. Let's look into it.
जैसे कि आप जानते हैं हमारे संस्कृति में सबका पहनावा सबका धरोहर अलग अलग है।
इन 8th स्टैंडर्ड तब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था बुर्का पहनना।
मेरे हाथ में ढाका टोपी है, ये हमारे गोरखा की शान है।
આ ટોપી પારસી ધર્મમાં આ ટોપી પહેરવાનું કારણ આટલું છે કે આપણું જે હેડ એ આખા બોડીને કંટ્રોલ કરે છે। ટોપી પહેરવાથી જે એવિલ સ્પિરિટ હોય એનાથી આપણો બચાવ થાય છે।
Sindoor. To enhance the third eye, we put it here so that the evil forces don't come to you, the negativity don't come to you.
और इसका मतलब ये भी है कि महाराज ने मेरी बाँह पकड़ के रखी है, मतलब मेरा हाथ पकड़ के रखा है। So if I'm going to do anything wrong, it stops me from doing that.
Well, काला धागा तो मम्मी ने दिया था। I wear it more for her.
अगर खुदा ने इंसान को बनाया है तो साथ में जिनों को भी बनाया है। दूसरे अल्फाजों में कहते हैं कि सुपरनैचुरल पावर्स, उनसे बचने के लिए हम तावीज़ का इस्तेमाल करते हैं।
ഈ പൂക്കളും ഞങ്ങൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കാറുണ്ട്। ഇത് വളരെ ഭംഗിയുള്ള മണമുള്ള പൂക്കളാണിത്। അപ്പോൾ ഇതും ഞങ്ങൾ വളരെ കൂടുതലായി ഉപയോഗിക്കാറുണ്ട് സ്ത്രീകൾ നാട്ടിൽ।
और ये हजारों आदमी खड़े होंगे, सरदार अलग ही दिखता है। ये एक ताज है जो दस्तार रखी है।
And the cross is a symbol. The vertical refers to the vertical dimension of the divine, being united with the triune God, and the horizontal embraces the whole world.
ही माझ्या आजीची नथ आहे, तर मी इथे ठेवते।
Thank you.
कोई राह न उनको बताना, वो खुद बना लेंगे अपनी राहें। कोई बात न उनको बताना, बस प्यार मांगो मिलेंगी बाहें। उनके पैरों में है ज़मीं, सर पे खुला आसमां। कोई भी राहें ना इनको बदल पाए, जिनकी आंखों में शिद्दत और बाहों में हवाएं। इनको क्या बताना, ये खुद ही समझ जाए, जिनकी आंखों में शिद्दत और बाहों में हवाएं।
Such a lovely concept, like how unity can be created at such a young age without being pushed towards a particular ideology. This is without a doubt one of the most powerful videos I have ever seen. So sir, any comments on this?
Absolutely a fantastic message which primarily tells about how we Indians, especially what I was hoping is that when all those precious things were kept under the box, when they closed, I expected the word India, because we Indians are, we are from unity in diversity, where we are from different culture, different religion, but we are united. So it was fantastic. It was thought-provoking. Very good, fantastic, guys.
In fact, the legacy of the Indian culture is passing on from one generation to the other generations. I think probably if you can keenly observe that video, I think the young generation don't bother about creed, caste, culture, and all these kind of the issues that are there in the society. Probably the young generation or the next generation, they go as one unit and then bring laurels to the country, and the country will definitely be in the super league down the line. Probably the 5 trillion economy, the dream may come true by being united. I think it's a very wonderful message that's been created by the apparel company. And all the guys are advised and requested, please learn some of the things from these videos that you people have played and imbibe these kind of good values so that the nation will turn out to be, true society for healthy living. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. That was indeed, the video.
Last but not the least, we have one more beautiful song sung by Shraddha. Recording, please.
मेरे वतन के लोगों, तुम खूब लगा लो नारा, ये शुभ दिन है हम सबका, लहरा लो तिरंगा प्यारा, पर मत भूलो सीमा पर वीरों ने हैं प्राण गवाए, कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, जो लौट के घर ना आए, जो लौट के घर ना आए। ए मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। कोई सिख कोई जात मराठा, कोई सिख कोई जात मराठा, कोई गोरखा कोई मदरासी, कोई गोरखा कोई मदरासी, सरहद पर मरने वाला, सरहद पर मरने वाला, हर वीर था भारतवासी, हर वीर था भारतवासी, जो खून गिरा पर्वत पर वो खून था हिंदुस्तानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। थी खून से लथपथ काया, फिर भी बंदूक उठा के 10-10 को एक ने मारा, फिर गिर गए होश गवा के, जब अंत समय आया तो, जब अंत समय आया तो कह गए कि अब मरते हैं, खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं। क्या लोग थे वो दीवाने, क्या लोग थे वो अभिमानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। तुम भूल न जाओ उनको, इसलिए कही ये कहानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद।
Thank you, Shraddha, for the melodious rendition. National Handloom Day is observed on 7th August across the country. It is a day to honor the Swadeshi movement that took place in 1905 and to celebrate India's rich fabrics. We are proud to announce that our SSIM family has celebrated this day. Now, we would like to share a few pictures of the occasion.
As the country celebrates Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, All India Radio has launched a campaign called Let Us Sing the National Anthem. All we have to do is get up and sing our national anthem, then upload our recording. A few of our students and faculty members stepped up to participate in the event, and the following are the certificates. We would like to present them now.
Read out the name. Somebody can read out the names, it is not visible. I hope I am audible.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes.
First certificate is by our director,
It
sir,
should
Dr.
be-
Raman. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it should be
Madhuvana,
because
sir.
of bandwidth problem. It is visible, ma'am. It is visible.
Yeah. First certificate is by our director, sir. He showed us the way, Dr. Raman Rao, sir. Next, Pawan Patel, sir, from HR department. Yes. Then this is Shafi,
Student from TPS section.
TPS. Okay, great.
Yes.
Bharadwaj.
Yeah,
Yeah, you guys
Bharadwaj
can go
from-
ahead.
Yes, so we have next Bharadwaj. He is from finance, and Alapati Pujita from TPS. So yeah, these are the certificates.
There are several other faculties like Arijit sir and a lot of other faculties have also participated, and then they have shared the certificates. Yes. Congrats. Yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah.
Business Analytics Group has shared a video on the occasion of Independence Day. Let's look into it. Thank you guys for such a lovely video.
Now, I request all of you to please stand in your places. Let's end this event with our national anthem.
Request the participants to enable your camera, and then if you can stand, that will be great. So please request all the participants to stand up, and then there will be a instrumental music will be played along with the lyrics. So maybe we all can sing together. That will be great. Thank you all.
Jai Hind. Congratulations to all of you. Good job done. Once again, happy Independence Day.
Thank you so much, sir. Akash, are you there?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, congrats and thank you everyone for a very good show. Happy
Yes.
Independence Day.
A warm and graceful morning to all the faculty members, my dear friends, and everyone gathered here. I feel honored and privileged to get an opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on this year Independence Day. First of all, I would like to express my sincere thanks to the entire team and SSM family, all the faculty members, and my dear friends for gracing the celebration of 75th Independence Day. I would also like to extend my special thanks to all the participants who took active part in all the events and made it even more interesting and special. I am proud to be a citizen of India and feel responsible to celebrate such glorious days. I thank everyone of you for making the celebration a success. I wish we would be celebrating many more like this. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Have a nice day and thank you.
Fantastic job, guys. You guys rocked it today. As
Thank you
usual.
so much, sir. Thank you
So
so much.
nice.
Thank you so much, sir.
Great. Keep up the motivation. So let's have more such events. So very good. Keep up. Nice, guys. Everything right from the beginning, the quality of the show has really improved. The way we started, and then we'll make it even more. You guys can think, you can be more creative, and then you can come out with more such events. Fantastic.
Guys, please note that 21st we have an event, and I wish to see all of you taking part in that event. Hope you must have got the information by this time.
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
Right. Looking
Thank you once
forward to see all of you. Right.
Vinod, sir.
Thank you everyone, sir.
Sir, super.
Okay, sir. Nandri, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Students, encourage your friends also to join. We are
Going
only
forward,
students and 30 plus faculty members. But throughout the meeting, only 45 were there, 45 to 50. So students, when you are celebrating, yes, definitely your friends also should see that, motivate you all. They also must participate. Encourage them. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you and have an amazing day. Thank you. Once again, happy Independence Day.
Thank you. Thank you, Samika. Yes. All the best, ma. Take care. Good job.
Thank you very much. Happy Independence to you all.
How, sir?
Hi, sir.
Sir, sir. Happy Independence Day, sir.
Happy Independence Day, sir.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day, sir.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day, sir. And students.
Yeah. Karthik. Yes.
Karthik. Thank you. Akash.
Yes,
Good
sir.
job.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes,
Happy Independence Day, sir, everyone.
Thank you, Thambi. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Happy Independence Day, sir.
Thank you, Pujita.
Yeah.
Country, sir.
Thank you all.